Hello everyone. Today we are gonna cover string package. So that's where we'll use the string operation. Like you want to assign some variable value to some variable. Okay, you can assign it. You want to just split your, you are getting some full string and you want to split into some substrings. You can use the split function or you want to get some substring from the string. You can get the substring. You want to get the length of the string. So there is a length command. You want to lowercase the string. Okay, use the lowercase. You want to uppercase the string, uppercase. You want to trim it. Sometimes what happen, you get white spaces. Okay, there is a white space. So this is initial white space from the beginning. Uh, I this is okay. So you have white space, but you cannot see it. But once you select it, you can see okay, there is a white space, and you have to trim it because sometimes uh, whenever you are reading any Excel and there is a white space, let's कभी कभी एक space होता है, this space is there, ठीक है? So you will not be and you are entering this data into some website, so it will not allow. He will say कि this is not uh, allow. Okay, there is some extra character, so you have to trim it. So we have a trim command to use it. And let's suppose you get some data 546 from Excel or web application and you want to do some manipulation on these two numbers. You want to multiply or sum or anything you want to do. Okay, so let's suppose you have quantity 4 and amount. You want to multiply this 4 into 30. You are getting it from the Excel, quantity and amount. You want to multiply and you want to get the total cost. So it will be 4 into 30. And you want to save it to Excel. So you are getting in the form of string from the Excel or from any web application. So you need to convert these two numbers to number before doing any numerical operation. Okay, before any numerical operation. So there is a command to number, string to number. So if you are getting any number in the form of string, you have to convert it to the number format before doing any numerical operation. So we have a to number command. It is a assignment. So first I need to assign some value. Hi, this is okay. Sample string. Okay, so first we'll do the lower case. Simple. You can put that input string and you can assign that to output. Then we can show it this to message box. Output, and we can see side by side the input string to compare it. Okay, so let's run it. Okay, so this is your input string and it made it to lowercase. So this is Then we have you need to get the length of the string. Okay. So in the same way, uppercase will work. Like it will just uppercase everything. So the second one is length. You want to get the length of the string, and the length would be in the number format, right? So you make sure that you just create a sample number, or you just create one length of string in the number format. So we can just show it how here. What is the length of our string? Uh, so it is a number variable, number types. So length of string dot to string. So I just convert it into the string. Whenever you want to show it, you can just convert it to the string using this command. Already seen. So let me run it. Okay, so you got the length of the string 28. So this is, once you count it, 1, 2, 3, the space is also calculated. This space between high and this. So space will also be count. Here also, if you have a white space, that will also be count. Okay, see, if I added some white space, you will not be able to see, but it will count to the this length. So make sure there is no white space. If you are using the string length command, just trim it before using. See, now it got 34 from 28. I just added some white space. You can see there is some white space. So that is the main thing. So what you can do, just trim the input and assign to input only. See, now it has trimmed the input. So now you are getting length of whatever length we have. So it will not trim this inside space. It will just trim this space and the beginning of the space. We called it white space. Okay. So we have two options: trim from beginning, trim from end. So you can use, if you want to check or uncheck, you can do it depending on the situation. Generally, we just trim from starting and end both. So whenever you will use this command, by default, it will be checked. So this is the thing. So length, this would be your length would be your number variable. So you have to create a number variable type here. Okay. So that is the one thing. Here in A360 V11, we don't need to care about the type of variable because we only use the value type for everything. But here the input can be different and output can be a different. So input, you have noticed, input will be the string, but output would be the number type. Okay. So you have to create a number type variable. Here, when you are splitting, this will be your, whenever you are split your string. So what will be a type of variable? Any guess?
String.
No, list type. Why?
Sorry. Actually.
So it will be your list type variable. Okay.
Yeah,
So
because we are
yes,
splitting it into
splitting.
two variables.
Yep. Into 2 or 3, not variables, values.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's suppose I want to split it into these individual using space input. So whenever you are seeing case sensitive, not case sensitive means space मैंने दे दिया, ठीक है? I've given the space. So case sensitive means you are just checking the casing as well. So whenever you are seeing in automation anywhere casing or case sensitive or match case, it just means it is trying to match, it will try to match uppercase or lowercase as well. Lower Botanova is not equal to the upper Botanova. if you just mention the case sensitive. So maximum time you have to use not a case sensitive to make the bot robust, because you don't want to fail your bot if we got the lower case and you have mentioned the upper case, right? If until unless it is a requirement, use not case sensitive. Okay, all possible. I just need to create my list. Okay, or LST. So to show the list variable, I need to edit here and let me run it in the debug mode. So I can show you. See, you got the variable. Hi, this is Boto Nova training. So your string is converted to your list variable. So zero indexing pe you have hi, for one is indexing you have this, at index two you have is. So this is delimited by space. This is your input string. Okay, so let me complete it. Exit debug. Okay. Any doubt so far?
No.
Okay. So that, so for the split, if you want to split your, let's suppose you have this semicolon in your data. Okay. You are getting string from some application and you have a this semicolon and you want to split into two variables to use. You will use it. I mean, sometimes because you don't have any control into your input data, right? So once you get data into your control loop, now you have a control. So, and you want to use this and these things separately. So what you will do, obviously you will split it by semicolon. So now you will have two list variable rahega, but now it will split into two. Hi, this is and bottom over training. So let me show you quickly in the debug mode again. So here too, this hi, this is, or just this is split by semicolon into two indexes, 0 and 1, and into my list variables. Okay. So this is string. So sometimes you will use this splits. Maximum time you will use this assign to normal. It is used for SE assignment. Either you can directly assign or you can use variable to variable assignment. Okay. Like sample string ko you want to assign it from this to this. So you can use it. Or if you want to use a list variable, my list, zero indexing, you can use this as well. So anything you can use. So within here, you can use variable to variable assignment, or you can just hard code your thing. Okay. So this is one thing regarding. Then lowercase, uppercase is done. Trim is also done. Okay. Length is also done. So if you want to now substring. What is substring?
It's part of string. Like
Yes. Let's suppose you have your input string. This is your input string. This is your input. Okay. Now you want to get this only, this. Okay. So here you have to give starting from, you should know the position of that thing. if it when you will use the substring, so if every time you are getting this string, or let's suppose यहाँ पर there you are getting some number, क्या है, the quantity is this and you need to get the quantity and the location is fixed, वो fifth location पे ही आएगा, then only you will use the substring. ठीक है, तो starting from let's suppose I need to get this this, only this, or maybe you need to get the Botanova, BOTONAVA. So the length of the Botanova is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8. The length is 8. Length is optional. If you want to get only 8 length, then you will give the length 8. If you want to get only the full character starting from this, so the position of B is you can just calculate. H is one position. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So I want to start from 12. Okay, as of now I'm not giving length. If I'm not giving length, it will Botanova training will come. If I'm giving length 8, then only Botanova will come. And it is a out string, so obviously output would be the output string. So let me run it. See, so I've not given, so from the starting from 12, this is you are getting Botanova trainings. Okay, now if you give the length here, it will just start from this Botanova till length 8. So it will give you Botanova only. Okay, so these two positions you have to give 12 and 8. This is optional. Okay, length is optional. If you want to get a full string starting from starting from this index, then you can get the substring. Now I just gave length of 8 starting from 12, or I know the length of this is 8. So okay, I gave this. Okay, so I'm getting this. Any doubt? So in interview, sometimes they ask question on these string manipulation, how you will get it. So you should know what are the input actions for substring. Okay, what are the input action for length? So for input, you just need to give the string. The output is, and for split, they might ask you some question on splitting. Okay, substring use होगा, but आपको logic लगाना पड़ेगा. ठीक है? Any doubt? So this is also sometimes useful, substring. ठीक है? Split, substring, don't confuse with the split and substring. ठीक है? The output of split is list variable. You want to list split based on the delimiter. Substring, you want to get some sub part of your string, main string. ठीक है? Sub part of your main string. Now reverse is simple. It just you are just reversing your input and output. It will just reverse your string. See, so this is the original string and this is reverse. G N I. No, so it is not useful. There is no use of this reverse. Okay. Now come to the find. Okay, so why find? Obviously, you want to use, you want to search something into your input string. If it exists, then you have to work something. So obviously, you will use the find command. If okay, what would be the output of the find? ये बताओ मुझे. Hmm?
सेम स्ट्रिंग
है?
ये लाइक इनपुट स्ट्रिंग में अगर फाइंड स्ट्रिंग में अगर वो ब्लैंक रहेगा तो वी विल गेट द सेम स्ट्रिंग.
Okay.
Okay. I guess it is the index.
Yes. It would be the index. The index would be a number. So that's why you will have a number. ठीक है? और position. ठीक है? So no. It should be number type. Sample number dot to string. Okay. Okay. So there is a input string. You want to search Botanova. You want to search Botanova. Okay. So you have to match casing. I don't want to match the casing because this is lowercase. If you will as of now do not match case because this is uppercase B and this is lowercase. So if you choose do not match case, it will match. If you just select this match casing, it will try to match and this will not match. So let's try first this do not match casing or regular. This is not a regular expression. Okay, starting from first. Okay, you can select from where you want to start. You want to start from high, you want to start from this, so you can give the position. Let's suppose you want to skip first 4 character, you can skip it starting from this, optional hai. So this h is, make sure this h is not on 0 place, this is first place. Okay, here indexing starting from 1, not from 0. तो ये ध्यान रखना, ऐसा नहीं कि h is 0 then 1, no, h is on 1 place, first place. Okay, indexing. So in this string indexing start from first, not from 0. तो ये यहाँ पे ध्यान रखना ये चीज. So that's why it is 1 not 0. ठीक है? So if you choose 1, 1 is by default, means you are starting from the starting only, h. So let's see, I want to try to find Botanova. Let's suppose if what it will give, यहाँ पे क्या आएगा बताओ सैंपल नंबर में, मतलब आउटपुट में, assign the output to a variable by seeing the string. क्या आएगा बताओ, any guess? See, so position आ गया. The B was starting from 12th position, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 then 12. So B is on 12th position, so it gave the indexing. Okay, the I found the Botanova and which is at a position of 12 indexing. ठीक है, बहुत ज्यादा यूज नहीं होता but ठीक है, but you can use it कि you want to find this thing and you want to get the, let's suppose Botanova की position change होती है. ठीक है, तो what you can do, सब string में use कर सकते हो इसको. जैसे let's suppose Botanova is changing, keep changing, कभी 12 पे आ रहा है, कभी 13 पे आ रहा है, तो what you can do, you can search Botanova at what position it is, it will give you the sample number, then that number you can use here in the form of sample number, you can use it, so it will give you that position directly. तो वो सर्च कर सकते हो आप लेंथ ऑफ 8. ठीक है, तो आप लॉजिक बना सकते हो using this find command and the substring if something is keep changing. Okay, तो आपको ये वेरिएबल यूज करना पड़ेगा और you need to find it first. You got my point? In the interview they tweak something, तो यहाँ पे आप मैनिपुलेशन करके कर सकते हो चीजें, you can do it. तो that's how you have to think. क्योंकि जो इंटरव्यू में कुछ कमांड स्ट्रिंग ऑपरेशन में बिल्कुल डायरेक्ट पूछता है, हाउ डू यू स्प्लिट, दे विल बी लाइक कि एक यू हैव दिस थिंग, ये लेट्स सपोज Botanova है, ठीक है, दिस इज हॉरिजॉन्टल, जैसे Botina, तो ये आपको टास्क है Botanova, तो इसको आपको हॉरिजॉन्टल लिखना है. अभी आप प्रिंट कराओगे तो ये ऐसे प्रिंट होगा, आपको इसको हॉरिजॉन्टल प्रिंट कराना है, Boton, ऐसे प्रिंट कराना है. अभी ये वर्टिकल हॉरिजॉन्टल है, यू नीड टू प्रिंट इट वर्टिकल. तो स्ट्रिंग ऑपरेशन करके आपको पहले तो उसको स्प्लिट करना पड़ेगा, ठीक है, उसके बाद आपको प्रिंट कराना पड़ेगा ऐसे करके. इजी राइट? मतलब इजी नहीं है, लॉजिक बनाना पड़ेगा आपको, तो जस्ट वर्क ऑन इट यूजिंग, और ये इससे हो जाएगा लिस्ट लूप और आपका इससे हो जाएगा, ठीक है, इट इज पॉसिबल। तो ट्राई इट, कन्वर्ट दिस टू दिस, इसको ट्राई करना, ठीक है, एक बार। हॉरिजॉन्टल टू, ये इंटरव्यू का pretty सिंपल क्वेश्चन है, विच इज बेस्ड ऑन स्ट्रिंग एंड लूप कमांड, ठीक है। ओके, सो दिस इज फाइंड, एंड इफ यू मैच द केसिंग, अब बताओ कि व्हाट वुड बी द इंडेक्स, बिकॉज इसको मिलेगा नहीं स्मॉल केसिंग, बिकॉज आई मैच द केसिंग इन माई इनपुट वी हैव अ अपर केस, व्हाट विल बी द आउटपुट इन द सैंपल number if something is not found,
Maybe -1 or 0.
right? So it would be 0. 0 means नहीं मिला, ठीक है। So never confuse कि 0 है तो 0 indexing वाला, जो indexing start from 0 तो वो रहेगा, तो it would be 0. That's why as I mentioned initially, so high is starting from 1. If you are getting output 0 means it is not able to find that string. So we have matched the casing, so we are not able to find this small b here, small Botanova with this capital Botanova, ठीक है। This is the one thing. Any doubt? In the same way, we have a replace command. I want to replace input string. Okay. I want to replace find string, like वही Botanova. ठीक है। I want to just find it Botanova, and I want to replace it with some okay, let me replace it with hi, this is space. I want to replace, I want to remove this, hi, this is training. Okay, so I just replace it and I assign output to my output variable. So let's see what is the output. See, hi, this is Botanova training, and this is just replaced with the space. I just removed this Botanova. Okay, so that's how you work with the find and replace. You can use it, and you can assign that output your output variable. So let's suppose this is not found. I match the casing. So you will get a whatever string you have initially, you will get that string because it didn't found Botanova, because I match the casing, because this is capital, this is capital, this is small. So match casing, it is not able to find. So it has not replaced and assign input string to directly to output string. ठीक है? Any doubt?
No, Vipul.
Okay, so length, find, replace, reverse, split string, boolean, two number. Two number is like pretty simple. It just nahi, ये two. This is, you will not use this two local number. This is काम नहीं करता. Two number, simple. If you want to, you have 4 in the form of string. You want to assign it to number type. So we yesterday also we saw कि if you want to convert that number in the number package, I told you, right, you can convert directly using two number, and then you can do the numerical operation. We talked about this yesterday. Okay, so you will not use evaluate, ये काम भी नहीं करती है, ठीक है। और everything generate random string, this is simple. If you are working on some password, it will just create sample string. Let's suppose अगर मैं output string create करूँ एक, आउटपुट पे साइन करके it will just create a random string of length 10. Okay, so you might use it for password generation. You are working on some automation password generation using, you are resetting the password using automation anywhere, so you can use this string. ठीक है, string this वाला random string वहां पे use होता है ये random वाला. ठीक है, generate random string of 10 length of 10. Let's suppose your password is supporting only 8 length. Okay, just generate it of the 8 length, so there you can use it. Otherwise there is no use of this random generate string. ठीक है, only for the passwords. Any other issues? Okay, let's try to compare two strings. So you have two string, like input string, and you are just comparing the same input string to your input string, same input to input. Obviously this will match, right? Same string I'm passing, it will match. So what will be the output? Ye batao, if you are matching something, what will the output? The type of variables, what will the output? Any guess?
Number.
Why?
So I'm just taking it as programming language, like it will be given
0 or
1
1.
or 0. Yeah.
Okay, so here it will be boolean. ठीक है, match. So it will be boolean because it will match, it will matching, it will give you true. If it is not matching, it will give you false. ठीक है, तो this will be boolean. Here also you cannot show the boolean variables. ठीक है, तो what you will do, same this matching flag dot to numbers भी है, to string भी है. ठीक है, तो you can convert it. तो अगर if you are converted to the match flag dot to number, तो ये number you cannot show, then you have to convert that number to dot to string. ठीक है, तो ये मैंने कन्वर्ट कर दिया, पहले नंबर में कन्वर्ट किया, देन नंबर टू स्ट्रिंग कर दिया टू शो इट द नंबर. तो यस, सो द आउटपुट इज अ boolean, so it will be true and false. If it is matching, these two string will be match, obviously it will match because they both are same, so it will match. So matching string flag would be true. So you only have two values for the boolean, true or false, nothing else. And 0 and 1 also. 0 1 initially nahi aata, it just you need to convert it to the number. Once you convert that boolean to the number, then only it will convert to the 0 and 1. So true will be 1 and the false will be 0. It's when you convert it to the number, other than it will be true and false. So we'll see. So let me run it. So the boolean value, you always have a true and false. Once you convert it to the number, then the true will become 0 or 1 and the false will become 0. So we'll see. I showed it to the output as well. See, so this string is matching to this string only. So it is matching true. And when I convert it to the number, और show करने के लिए मैंने string में convert किया उसको to show into the message box. So it is just giving the output that. So true, then convert to the 1. So whenever you are getting false, it will convert to the 0. ठीक है, सो एक काम करते हैं, हम इसको मैच करते हैं अपने आउटपुट से. तो आउटपुट इज नॉट मैचिंग विद द इनपुट क्योंकि आउटपुट अलग है. ठीक है, आई जस्ट रिप्लेस नो बॉटम विद स्पेस, सो इट विल नॉट मैच. So it will give you the false. See, so this is not matching with this output, obviously, then it is giving you false and 0. Okay, 0 is when you convert that boolean to number. Okay, not, but the boolean value is false. Any doubt?
No.
Okay, understood. So this compare you used to compare to, you will use sometimes compare because you are getting some value from some data source and you have just one template and you want to compare it with this. If it is matching, then only you have to proceed further. So you can use if condition. After that, if this is equal to string is equal to true, then only you have to proceed further. Otherwise, stop the bot, log the error, right? So that's how you use the compare command. कि compare करके करना क्या है? You want to take some decision based on true and false. Okay, just compare two string, use if condition. If, okay, if either you can use boolean flag, you can use string, you can use number. If this number is equal to 1 means true, if string is equal to true, or boolean flag. So you have three option to work with. ठीक है, तो आप कैसे भी यूज करना चाहो यूज कर सकते हो, डिपेंडिंग ऑन द सिचुएशन कि आपको ट्रू एंड फॉल्स से करना है. कोई some people use 0 and 1. So they you all the option. ठीक है, either you can convert it to 0 1, you can convert to the string true and false, or directly you can use if boolean flag is equal to true, use it. ठीक है, you have all the options. Any doubt? And to convert to the string into the boolean, तो यहाँ पे मैं boolean भी cover कर देता हूँ थोड़ा सा. तो यहाँ पे you have commands. Why you are getting the to string to? Because you have command से directly command. I used, you can convert this to matching flag to your flag. तो you have to create new string variable, right? तो यहाँ पे आपको एक नया वेरिएबल मिलेगा. तो डायरेक्टली आइदर यू कैन यूज डायरेक्टली दिस टू स्ट्रिंग. तो दीज आर द कमांड. तो फ्रॉम हियर यू आर गेटिंग द कमांड्स ओनली. इसके एक्स्ट्रा कमांड नहीं आएंगी. बूलियन के अंदर दिस कमांड इज सपोर्टेड. टू स्ट्रिंग, टू नंबर, टू इन्वर्ट मीन्स यू वांट टू जस्ट इन्वर्ट इट. इफ इट इज ट्रू, make it false. If it is false, make it true. Invert the output. Invert a boolean variable's value. So it will invert true to false, false to true, whatever the output is. It will give you the opposite of that. ठीक है, if equal to. ठीक है, तो these are the booleans. You want to compare two boolean, you can compare it. Okay, if you want to make it to equal to something, you can use it. So it is just a boolean operations. Depending on the situation, you can use it. ठीक है, any doubt? This
No.
string. Okay, so as I mentioned, for the string also you have some, input string dot. See, you have length dot lowercase. Directly you can use it reverse, but generally people don't use it directly for the string operation. It just they use directly command. Okay, so you also to number, string to number, dot trim, dot uppercase. So you have that type of functionality as well here in the string. So in v11 you have noticed there is one command before and after. Okay, so this is same, but name has been changed. We have a extract text here. So this is before and after, which was in v11. ठीक है, so if you worked on the v11, you are already aware of before and after. You want to, let's suppose, get this Botanova. So we got two way. One is a substring, gave the position 12 and length, but I don't want to give the position, length, and this is fluctuating. Let's suppose I just need, and the before and after is fixed. Then only you can get also the value or substring, or you can get the extracted text. So how you can use it? So before and after. So before you can give is, and after you can give training or training. ठीक है, or maybe training. And you want to so you have three options, like before and after, both, and then after. So we'll talk about this thing as well. Do not match case. I don't want to match casing, as I mentioned. Number of character, get all the number of characters. There is a length also you can get key. Okay, get 5 length, or no, I want to get all. I want to assign the output to my output string. So it will give you Botanova. So let's try. Okay, so it is giving is Botanova. Let's see why it is giving it is Botanova. Okay, so it is taking this is also a is. Okay, so it just pick this is with this is. So that's why it is giving is Botanova. So now you have to uh just define space is then space. Okay, so this is also a confusing thing. So I need to just get a Botanova. So in the before, I will just give some space before is, because this is not DHIS, it is just space is. So now it will look into this second wala is. So let's try again. So this before and after little bit confusing with the name or scenarios. So I will just give you some tips. Okay, so now we are getting this Botanova directly because we have given space is and the training in the after. Now we are getting directly Botanova. So if the position is keep changing, let's suppose hi, hello, this is this ऐसे करके you are getting, and before you have is and training are fixed, you will get the Botanova. Okay, so extract text you will use in APIs. I think last time we work on the API, so I use the extract text to get the data from the APIs or value from the API output. We use the JSON as well, but we also use the extract text. So there I showed you how you can use it, right? Okay, so just give me some brief about before, after. Now you got the functionality, why we are using this extract text. So give you some brief why before. So let's suppose you just need to get Botanova training, only Botanova trainings. So you need to give in the before this is, I mean space or is. So once you give this, after everything you will get whatever you have after this space is, you will get. Okay, now you want to get only this hi, this is Botanova. So whatever you have before training you want to get, because in the string there might be any manipulation. You want to before text, you want to get after text, you want to just before and after in between, you want to get this. So you have to give some before thing and after thing. Okay, so let's suppose, as I mentioned, I want to get this thing. So you have to give before thing as well and after thing, then only you will get with the and condition. Before में ये होना चाहिए and after में ये होना चाहिए, then only you can get Botanova. So that's what I used here. Before में आपका is है and after में training है, और whatever you are getting in between, just give me that into the output. So that's how I was getting the Botanova. Before में मैंने ये दे दिया, after में ये दे दिया, now I was getting this. So things are pretty simple. Don't confuse with the wording. So whenever you are going before and after, start after text and before text, तो इससे confuse मत होना. Just think आपको चाहिए क्या. You need Botanova. ठीक है, I need to get a Botanova. Okay, before में ये दे दो, after में ये दे दो. This is the trick that I used, not to confuse. कंफ्यूज ना होने के लिए मैं यूज करता हूँ सीधा सीधा. मुझे क्या चाहिए, मुझे चाहिए ये. सो ओके, आई विल गिव this into before and this will give into after. So before मैंने ये दे दिया, after में ये दे दिया. And we have a single command as well, like before simple, and either you can use before, then after, then before and after at the same time. You can use it, ठीक है, with and or conditions. So let's suppose I need bottom of trainings. ठीक है, जब मैं बिफोर में इज दे रहा हूँ, ओनली बिफोर में इज दे रहा हूँ, तो मुझे पूरा टेक्स्ट मिल जाएगा उसके बाद जो भी है. सो लेट मी गिव यू, अगर मैंने स्पेस इज दे दिया बिफोर में, सॉरी, तो आई विल गेट एवरीथिंग आफ्टर स्पेस एस, बिकॉज आई ऑलरेडी गिवन बिफोर. तो जो भी उसके बाद होगा वो मुझे मिल जाएगा. स्टार्ट आफ्टर टेक्स्ट, whatever starting after text is I will get it. So let's see. So it should be bottom over training. See, I got the whatever I have after this space bottom node training, I got it. So I need to get this. Hi, this is Botanova. Before training, whatever I have, I want to get it. Okay, so you will use before condition. Sorry, after condition. Training. So you will get, hi, this is Botanova. So let's run. So this is a little bit confusing. Concept समझ में आ गया, उसके बाद wording भी आप समझ सकते हो. It just before में before वाला use कर लो, after में after वाला use कर लो. Don't confuse with the wording. See, hi, this is Botanova. तो first of all you have to think कि चाहिए क्या, कि what is the requirement. Okay, I need Botanova, only Botanova. Okay, just give, use before and after both. Before में ये दो, after में दो. Okay, now let's suppose you just need to get this, hi, this is Botanova. तो ये चाहिए मुझे, तो okay, now you have to use after command. तो after में दे दो ये वाला, now you will get this. Let's suppose you need to get this Botanova training चाहिए. Now you can give, hi, this is into before, now you will get Botanova training. So that's how you can use it. Before में before वाला दे दो, after में after वाला दे दो, you can get the desired output. Okay, not to confuse with the this before after start text. ठीक है? If you are able to understand this language, very good. Otherwise I have given you the concept कि before में before, after में after वाला use कर लो. ठीक है? So everything is completed here. Any doubt so far? Try this. एक बार ये try करना. ठीक है, ये वाला एक task है. और try these commands. ठीक है?